Looks like I've got this keratin and permanent straightening done. Oh my god, I look like a model. अरे भाई मेरे बाल में ये अटक गया.
You look like Jesus. Cute, you lol, ये बाल गायब हो गए.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because since childhood I have always wanted to try wigs and hair extensions, but I could never have those, so I used to wear t-shirts as wigs because I was obsessed with long hair, but I never had long hair. I used to have a boy cut back in the day. So I finally decided to fulfill the dreams of little Madhushri, and I have a bunch of hair wigs and extensions from Amazon, and surprisingly they are really good quality. I'll be giving my mini reviews on each of them. So I hope this video helps you if you're planning to buy any hair extensions or wigs. So without a further ado, let's get started. Let's start with something very small and safe first. So this is a hair extension bun. I have one more bun like this in brown color, and I usually wear such buns for weddings if I want to tie a quick bun or something. And not just for weddings, you can also wear it on regular days whenever you're having any bad hair day, and if you want to wear a bun, and even if your bun is looking really bad, this one comes in really handy. So this is a hair scrunchie. Basically it looks so real. I for some reason thought this will look very artificial, very shiny and plasticky since it's cheap, but it actually looks quite natural. It has a very natural shine to it. Tie a regular bun. If you don't have colored hair, then this would match you perfectly, and I'm sure Amazon has different colored buns also. You can check them out. You can get one according to your current hair color. This one doesn't exactly match me, but I can definitely make it work. I sometimes also do a half up half down hairstyle with this, especially if your top bun is looking too thin. You can use it to add some volume, something like this. It looks really cool in my opinion. I know I'm looking like a Rishi Muni, but you can definitely experiment and do as per what you love. I absolutely recommend it 100%, especially for your messy buns during weddings, and if you have hair color like this, like natural color. Next is something similar, but it was kind of a fail for me. It does not look as per the photo at all. I expected more hair to be over here, just like how it's shown in picture, but it just has hair on the side this way. I don't know if I'm using it wrong, but it just does not look as per the photo, but the quality is good. I mean, the hair looks natural. It looks too weird, I know. Maybe if you tie your entire hair and then some of your natural hair is blending with this, then it may look good, but on its own it looks quite weird to me, so I don't think I would recommend it. Before we move on to the legit hair extensions, I just wanted to show you these hair bangs. If you have watched my previous videos, I used to wear such hair bangs all the time. They were from AliExpress and they were matching to my hair color. It was brownish reddish color that time, and quality again really good. It costs rupees 299, so almost 300. You can just wear it like so. It has a clip. It looks really fun. You can tie a ponytail or something. The only problem with such hair bangs is here it does not really look as natural, especially in person. In photos and videos you can definitely mask it, but in person this is not gonna look cute. Like, this is gonna be very obvious that you're wearing something. You can definitely make it work by adding hairband or something. I mean, there are multiple ways you can make something work, but this is just what I wanted you to know, the reality of hairband extensions. I don't know if I'll wear it because it's not really matching to my hair color, but if my hair grows out, if I have this color, then I'll definitely use it. Next are these long legit hair extensions. It comes in this net, and I would recommend you to store it in the net only so that it does not get tangled and frizzy and messy. You can also braid it and keep so that it lasts longer for you. They had many color options, but I did not know which one to go for. This one said it's brown, curly brown, so I thought it would match my color at least a little bit, but it does not. More like a brownish blonde color, and this is also really good quality. I would recommend this to people who either have natural hair color or who have this kind of highlights and who have this long hair. It's gonna look amazing on you. It's just gonna add some volume to your natural hair. It's gonna look beautiful. I will show you how it looks on me. It's gonna look weird, but it has these 5 clip-ins. You just have to pin it over here. I posted many Instagram stories with this. In videos and photos it looks really good. It actually looked natural on me, but in real life, in person, you could make out that it's not really my hair. Don't judge me, I know it looks quite weird. If I tie my hair this way, then in videos It looks really good. I'm planning to use these hair extensions for my videos, especially when I recreate someone's look. And if that requires long hair, then this is gonna come in handy for me. Huge problem for me is the hair color. I mean, it's not at all matching. It has little waves at the bottom. You can heat style it if you want to. If you have worn it too many times, then it's important to clean it also. Just use a gentle shampoo and conditioner and that should be fine. And just gently dry it, either air dry it or use a very low heat setting hair dryer. Just blow dry it properly if you can. I've never done it. I'm just telling what I have read online. Removing it is a task. Ooh, अरे भाई मेरे बाल में ये अटक गया. It's got stuck in my hair. So much breakage. And this cost only rupees 474. I did not expect such good quality hair extensions just for 500. Next is a ponytail extension. It has a claw clip this way, and again the quality is quite good. Looks very natural. Most of these things I have read reviews. I've seen customers photos. That's why I have bought it. I always do that. I will be very skeptical if there's no review on it. So even if you are planning to buy something, just always read the review, see the customer photos, and then make a decision, because sometimes it's expectations versus reality. Photo mein kuch aur hi dikhta hai, again not matching to my color. But these kind of things I can make it work for recreations, as I mentioned earlier. It also came with this hair net, by the way, especially if you're wearing wigs and all. To conceal your natural hair, you have to wear the net completely, and then on top of that you can wear a wig. So this came for free with this, and the original price of this is like 200 or 300 something. It will look so much better if I straighten my hair. Again, as you can see, color is not at all matching. If I put a hairband or a scrunchie or something, I may be able to mask it better. Currently it's looking weird. From front it's looking good actually. I look like some olden times ka actress. They used to have a ponytail like this. These hair extensions I'm showing you, they are perfect for fancy dress competitions, any events you have when you want your hair to look little different, when you want to do different hairstyles. This is so much fun. I mean, I've always loved long hair. I've always loved doing this. Doing this was my dream in childhood. And little Madhushri, I hope you're proud of me. For videos, I can just sit like this, maybe straighten this part. It will actually look like it's my natural hair. Next is this choti extension I've got. I've actually braided it to keep it properly in my drawer. And this is a braid extension, by the way. If you like doing braids and if you want your braid to be longer, you can attach it like so. You just have to braid your hair normally, your natural hair, and then start braiding this part, and it will, attach to your natural braid. I had this in school time because I had participated in some dance and it was compulsory to have a long choti. So we had gone to the market. I remember getting it for 20 rupees back in the day. This cost 179 rupees on Amazon. I'm sure you will get it for cheaper in local markets, but I usually don't step out. Everything I buy is online only. Actually wanted to get it for my braids only. I make these French braids, right? You must have seen it. And I stopped making it because my hair was looking too thin. And forget thin, it was looking too short actually. So I wanted long, and I should have got two because I usually make two, but let's see, maybe I'll get one more and you will see me in a new look really soon if I don't feel lazy. This is a bit rough to the touch, meaning I'll have to condition it maybe. Next, let's move on to wigs. I am really excited. The first wig I have is this straight length hair topper. This came free, by the way. This is how it looks like. I'm not opening this new package. I'll just wear the previous. I don't know how to wear it properly because if I just tie my hair now, then it sort of creates like a bumpy thing for me. I'll show you. If I wear it, wow. Wowza. Wait, I opened the wrong wig. I'll show that later. This is how it looks like. This is so silky. Oh my god. I wish I had this hair naturally. This is so silky, so soft and smooth. Oh my god. I made my husband also try it and it looked really good on him, surprisingly. I'll just play the clip.
हाँ वो भी पहन प्लीज.
It's very difficult to remove, tangle हो जाएगा.
नहीं
पहन सकते हैं.
क्यों नहीं?
It's not for my hair.
Oh wow, babe, you look like Jesus.
I'm Tesseract का.
You are Jesus. वो टेसरेक्ट के कॉन्सर्ट में सब लोग ऐसे ही दिख रहे थे. Babe, you look really good.
James Bond के.
You look really good. I want to click your photo. Do that again.
उस पे वो बाद में नॉकचन का आएगा. It doesn't stick. It has.
Do that. आराम से
टूट जाएगा.
इसमें जो स्कैल्प लाइन है ना, it looks very natural unless you look closely, of course. Like if you look closely, then this is how it looks like. If you see from this far, it looks quite natural. This rubber thing is matching your scalp color, but you get only one line. If you want to change the partition, you won't be able to. It looks so cute only from this angle, but oh my god, I should definitely recreate some celebrities looks and wear wigs. I will look like a totally different person. Oh my, I'm so in love with this. Only this angle though. Ooh. Who is she? Looks like I've got this keratin and permanent straightening done. Oh my god, I look like a model. Does not have a lot of volume unless you're planning to wear it along with your natural hair. Because of my natural hair now, it's creating a bumpy texture, and because of that it's making it look even less full. Or you can also partition your natural hair and then wear it, and then wear a headband or something to mask this thing. Just wear a hairband over here. I'll just show. Oh, I just drooped it. मेरे बाल गिर गए bro. So if you wear it like this now, just pin it properly. I have not pinned it. You can wear a headband. Yeah, now we're talking. I may have to straighten this part. Did you like this look on me? You can also tie a ponytail or something. It's very thin. छोटू सी pony आएगी, but of course you can wear it however you like. I'm keeping it back in the net it came with, and in this bag it came with. Let's move on to this short pixie cut wig. It looks cute but little different than the photo. I don't know if I'm wearing it wrong or if I've not styled it yet. I don't know that. Even this came with the hairnet, by the way. I got it in the natural color. They also had this highlight option. You know who this wig reminds me of? Monica. Remember when Monica asked Phoebe to give her Demi Moore ka haircut? She gives her this haircut of Dudley Moore. This hair exactly reminded me of that. It looks quite cool actually. I have always wanted to see how I would look in this hair. In real life, I don't know if I'll ever have this haircut naturally, but temporarily I don't mind. Makes me look very cute. Do I look like a boy? I made Saish also wear this, by the way. It looked quite cute on him.
इधर आना चाहिए actually. Can't figure it out. This should be here. Just can you pull it a bit?
नहीं, this is perfect actually.
You look like a girl. You look so cute. You look like a college. Lol, ये बाल गायब हो गए.
At scalp mein we usually have it over here, na, that round thing. You can see it over here. From front it looks quite fun. I may have to adjust it a bit this way. Oh, I just made it worse. Cute. I should prank people. I should video call people or make a reel at least telling people that I've got this haircut. I forgot to mention it comes with this thing, so you can tie it inside so it sticks to your head properly. I haven't tied it for now because I've just worn it temporarily. Rate this look in the comments. Let's move on to the last wig. I did not want this video to end. I wanted unlimited number of wigs. ये मेरा net भी निकल गया यार, ये भी थक गया. So next is a wig with bangs, and this is quite long. This has natural brown color. It looks very nice, very silky. Did you see the shine? Looking at this hair, I feel like I wish I had this hair naturally. I love my curly hair, don't get me wrong, but oh my god, look at this. It comes with bangs, so I thought it wouldn't have that scalp line issue. It has a bit of scalp over here, just a little bit. You won't be able to change the partition. They just have this tiny circle thing as scalp. I made my husband also try this. He got annoyed. He's like, I'm done now, let me just have my food.
Babe, you look so cool.
Wait, Nikal, please. I'm irritated. Please.
Wait, एक ही photo.
मैंने बोला नहीं.
क्या कर दिया?
Oh shit. It's kind of tricky to figure out how to wear it exactly. What happens with many wigs now, especially the scalp line, it just evidently shows through and it just shows that you're wearing a wig. So that's why I wanted to get something in which that problem won't occur since it has bangs. Rate this look also. I can wear this. Excuse me? Excuse me? Who is this? This hairband makes everything look so cute. It's giving me very anime vibes. If you just see this part, will you be able to make out it's a wig? It's quite long. This is my dream hair length, by the way. I wonder when my hair will grow this long. Can you see my muscles? I can't wait to experiment with my looks with wigs. It's just gonna give me a very new personality, at least on the internet. I don't know if I'll wear these things in real life. I'll feel shy. By the way, you can heat style this also. You can curl it or whatever. I'll just keep it like this for a while till I give my outro. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below what you would rate these wigs and which one would you pick on me. I love this one the most because I actually see myself using it because it does not look unnatural. Except for this claw clip extension, I have loved everything I've shown in this haul. But I would love to know your thoughts, so please let me know. And if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday. And let me know your video requests in the comments down below. And yeah, that's it. I will see you in my next video. Bye. I am obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed, you guys.